I am a crippled mastermind. I am a general compliant. I am a cyber protecting a boy. I'm a colorful talking toy. I turn green when I'm angry. I'm invisible but friendly. I'm a spy with a license to kill. I chose the red pill. I'm a philanthropist with an addiction to killing. I'm a cop stuck up in the top of a building. I'm a joker that kills to amuse. I make offers that you can't refuse. I'm the head of a cartel. I went insane in a hotel. I reclaimed Scotland from the Brits. I solve crime using only my wits. I'm a schizophrenic murderer that gets away. I use the force to guide me along the way. I'm a commander of armies of the north. I'm a Navi henceforth. I see things that are not there, and I be fighting evil everywhere. I'm the venerable druid in Gaul. I wear the ring that rules them all. I'm a true story. I'm a fiction. I'm all of these and more. I am a time traveler. I am a shapeshifter. All I know is when the lights go out for 90 minutes or more, I am someone else, somewhere else.